Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris, greeting healthy all of us. Now we continue our lesson. That I will share the exercise. Oh yeah, okay. Let's try. I want to plagiarize this object. Okay, remember this image must be locked. Yeah, must be locked on your apps. Okay, I will try it from here. I use Bezier tool. Okay, let's try from here. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have imagination for plagiarize this object. Yeah, it's so easy, slow, and make sure your works correctly step. Yeah, okay, I do this and I will modify, use, make a curve. Okay, here make a curve. Okay, curve. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, finish. Yeah, now I want to select all node this and convert line to curve. Yeah, convert line to curve. But now I will plagiarize, use this. You will see how to. Okay, this. Okay, if you want to break a step, you can turn off snap to object. Yeah, and you will free to move the line. Okay, turn off the snap to object. Yes, great. This. Okay, great. Choose the node and control the node. Okay, great. Yeah, okay. This, control the node like this. Okay, choose. Okay, back to curve. Okay, if this step not very important, you can obey the step and you can create as you wish. Yeah, that's okay. Great, a bit curve. Okay. Okay, node, control the node a bit. Okay, try, be careful, build your imagination correctly. Yeah. Okay, okay, I think it's enough. And the last curve. Okay, a bit. Okay, curve, and the last. Yeah, I think great. Here, great. Here, one a bit step. Okay, it's great. Yeah, but now I want to move. I will check first. Okay, 40. Yeah, 1 2 3. Okay, let's try from here. Now I want to copy this object. Control C, Control V. That's it. Yeah, and I want to transformation use horizontal facility. Okay, zoom in, and I want to put here. Okay, now snap to object must be this. Okay, it's great. Yeah, now I want to arrange, then combine, use shape tool 2. Okay, select 2 node and then join 2 node each other. Fit here, 2 node, join 2 nodes each other. It's great. Yeah, we can coloring this object. Okay, that's it. You can modify like this. Okay, maybe okay. Try to move here. Control C, Control V. Okay, another maybe, and then you can use align and distribution, and then you can center. Okay, and then you can make a group, then you can place this object center from 2 object. That's a group. Okay, let's try. Then first, second, select, align and distribute, then you can choose center. Okay, it's great. If you want to move the object, you can adjust the object, maybe 5, and you can create like this, yeah, or another's. Okay, I will save first. Save hutan pinus 1. Yeah, great. You can modify the position, the text, and so on. Yeah, that's a Wana Wisata. Okay, I will okay, let's try. I will to modify this, yeah, because the Control C, Control V. Okay, we'll start from here. Okay, here. Okay, Control C, Control V, because my friend's order we must have this line. Yeah, Control C, Control V. Yeah, okay, you can adjust this. Control C with another Control C, Control V. Okay, that's finished. I want to move F3, and then you can move here, and now you can align and distribute center. Yeah, align and distribute center, align and distribute center. Okay, now you can combine, and then you can fill the curve. Okay, that's it. You can okay here. Okay, 1 2, you can make a group, arrange a group, and you can move a bit. Okay, and then you can find a distribution center. Wait, it's finished. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Breathing healthy all of us. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.